A contract requires consideration to be enforceable. Sometimes consideration is money, but it can be almost anything that provides a benefit to the promisor or a detriment to the promisee. In Forrester v. Scott, the court evaluated whether adequate consideration supported the contract between the parties. Virginia Forrester Cockrell was married to Perry Forrester when she gave birth to Joyce Forrester. Just before Joyce was born, Perry entered into a third-party beneficiary contract with Mark Scott. Scott agreed to pay $15 a week for Joyce's support until Joyce turned 18. Scott also agreed not to try to see Joyce or Virginia while Joyce was a minor. In return, Perry agreed to release Scott from any civil claims Perry had against Scott for criminal conversation, meaning adultery with Virginia, as well as alienation of Virginia's affections and loss of Virginia's services. The contract didn't say anywhere that Scott was Joyce's father. 2 years later, Virginia and Perry divorced. At around the same time, Scott filed for bankruptcy, listing Perry and Virginia as unsecured creditors on the support contract. The bankruptcy discharged Scott's debts. A distribution of $140 from the bankruptcy estate was made to the Forresters to satisfy the existing debt on the contract. Joyce sued Scott through her mother Virginia to enforce the contract. Nowhere in the court filings did Joyce claim that Scott was her father. The trial court ruled for Joyce and entered judgment for nearly $9,000, representing the unpaid amount owed on the contract. Scott appealed to the Ohio Court of Appeals.